Hey everyone, welcome back. So there's big news coming out of the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. The court just ruled that the federal law banning handgun sales to 18 to 20-year-olds is unconstitutional. This ruling is a huge deal in the ongoing debate over the Second Amendment. It comes in the wake of the landmark 2022 Supreme Court decision in the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association Inc. v. Bruen case. That case set up a historical test for evaluating gun restrictions' constitutionality. And it's already having a ripple effect. So here's the gist. The court argued that the federal government didn't provide enough historical evidence showing that there were similar restrictions on 18 to 20-year-olds' firearm rights during the founding era. Essentially, they couldn't prove that young adults back then were barred from owning guns the way they are now. Now this is part of a larger trend where courts are split on this issue. Some courts have upheld the federal ban, while others, like the Fifth Circuit, are pushing back, often citing the role of older teenagers in militias during the Second Amendment's framing. If you're wondering what this means for gun laws moving forward, it's a complex picture. Supporters of age-based gun laws argue that young adults are statistically more likely to be involved in gun violence. For instance, Florida's law that raised the age for gun purchases to 21 came after mass shootings involving teenagers. However, the courts are not unanimous on this issue. The 11th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals is expected to issue a new ruling on Florida's law soon. And what about the Supreme Court? They haven't directly addressed how the Second Amendment applies to young adults in light of these recent rulings. But they've been asked to weigh in. Minnesota officials recently petitioned the Supreme Court to review an 8th Circuit decision striking down the state's restrictions on carrying guns in public for 18 to 20-year-olds. One hurdle in these legal battles is the procedural issue when plaintiffs turn 21 during the process, making their cases moot. Just this past January 29th, the 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals heard another significant case challenging the federal law. So, what do you think about this ruling? Will it lead to more changes in gun laws for young adults? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay informed.